As technology continues to advance, artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent in various aspects of daily life, including education. In the realm of studying, AI offers numerous benefits that can greatly enhance the learning experience for students. AI in education can transform learning by providing personalized experiences, real-time feedback, enhanced organization, and improved resource access for students. Peer learning. Through discussion, collective problem solving, and more efficient use of resources, collaborative learning can help learners understand content more quickly and deeply. EdrawMax app has the availability to share files on multiple platforms so that students can accomplish group studying and assignments more conveniently. Productivity tips for faster learning. 5 minutes rule. The benefit of this tip is that it helps overcome procrastination, breaks down intimidating tasks into more manageable parts, and encourages momentum and progress. Recognize the power of learning faster. By actively engaging with the material, using mnemonic devices, and teaching others, learners can reinforce their understanding and retention of information. Utilize productivity apps to streamline learning. Apps like Trello, Evernote, and Forest can help organize tasks, take notes, and minimize distractions, ultimately enhancing productivity.